My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Video Player. Video Player is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this browser extension claim that it provides simple ways to open any video or playlist embedded in some other way. This browser extension provides simple ways to open any video or playlist in a configurable pop-out window that can be freely sized and positioned. The point is that maybe for some people this function sounds really good and helpful, but in reality this video player extension for Google Chrome actually has got the elements of adware. It may show advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Furthermore, very often this particular extension is spread through integration with some free applications. In many cases, people download and install it pretty unintentionally. So, if it was mistakenly added into your Google Chrome browser, we strongly advise that you get rid of this extension as soon as possible, because it will start delivering the great portion of web push notifications. To deactivate this extension, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. When you find this extension, simply deactivate and remove it completely. And this should be sufficient enough. I also recommend researching your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program and start carefully researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.